Hello, and welcome to the Society for Thin Dress Watches as we talk about why dress watches have gotten very, very large. Now, there's been a number of reasons why dress watches went very large, but probably the most obvious culprit is James Bond. That's right, the suave double agent. Well, double agent for our cause. See, James Bond was actually written by Ian Fleming in his novels before it was made into a movie. And the sad thing is that what happened was when the novel was translated into a movie, they seem to have stuffed up one very key element, which was the wristwatch which Ian Fleming chose for the character James Bond. Now, Ian Fleming in real life actually wore a Rolex Explorer 1 wristwatch. It was a model 1016, which is very similar to Rolex Explorer 1 model 14270. And basically, what happened was, the movie, in the first James Bond movie, they used a Rolex Submariner instead of a Rolex Explorer 1. And this is where the big mistake occurred, because the Rolex Explorer 1 is actually quite a simple type of Rolex watch. Yes, it is a sports watch, but you'd be forgiven for saying it's a dress watch. It had no crown guards. It had a conservative size of being 36 millimeters excluding the crown, so it was quite a good size watch. It also had a oyster bracelet in steel. It had a black dial. Unfortunately, when they substituted a Rolex Explorer 1 for a Rolex Submariner, the bulkiness and size of it got carried away. And that is where it became okay to wear a sports diving watch with a suit. Over the years, James Bond in the movies took to commercialization, and eventually Omega replaced Rolex, and they ended up putting James Bond with a huge Omega Seamaster watch, which is totally wrong for the character, and it is totally wrong for the suave agent. Unfortunately, this is one of the big muck-ups in modern movie history. And pairing James Bond with a huge sports watch has done our society unquestionable damage. What we hope to do is bring back the wearing of the thin dress watch. The thin dress watch was popularized by such great makers as Patek Philippe, Vacheron Constantin, Audemars Piguet, as well as many other mid-level makers, including Rolex with their Cellini line, Cartier, Omega. The list is endless. The Society for Thin Dress Watches hopes to bring back the formal dress watch, and hopefully by pleading our case with internet tools such as YouTube, blogs and websites, we can further the cause for wearing a thin dress watch. Thanks very much for watching this clip, and please don't forget to come to our free website for information on becoming a member of the Society for Thin Dress Watches. Thank you very much.